Hello, my friends. Welcome to Dave's Skillet. Today, shredded pork. Got a pork roast, about 3 pounds. It's gonna happen. I want to make some tamales out of this, and maybe some tacos, etc., etc. So I'm going to start with my seasoning, my homemade seasoning. This is garlic powder, onion powder, pepper, ground pepper, and sea salt. Equal parts mix. I just roll my own. I buy this size spice and then just pour them all into a bowl and mix them up and then put them in the same containers that they came in. It comes out pretty good. It's real good for beef and pork. I don't think it would work for chicken, but that's a different spice altogether. Oh God, that pepper's making me cough. That'll happen. Oh, I gotta give it a break. Better put my mask on. I didn't think, right? I knew that mask was good for something. Wow. That was good. And then I'm going to put some of this on it. Honey. Yeah. Why not? I could use olive oil, but today we're going to squirt some honey on it. Now we're going to be putting this in the rice cooker. I know I haven't said it yet. And I'm going to put it on slow cook, crock pot cook. Only this thing cooks faster than a crock pot. Crock pot's about 350 to 360 something temperature wise. This thing here is 700 watts. So that's pretty much almost double, over double. No, not quite double. It's almost double. That's it. And then it goes in the pot. Oh. Roast in the pot. The liquid I'm going to use is chicken broth. I think chicken broth goes good with pork. So we open that up with our standard can opener and pour all that delicious juice right in there. And that's the liquid. I suppose I could put more, but I'm not gonna. I do have those 32 ounces. Maybe I should have used a 32 ouncer, but hey, you know what? If I have to, I'll add it later. So there we go. And we're done. Finally, it took 3 hours. No, 3.5 hours. 3.5 hours total time for 3 pounds of roast. Now I gotta take it out of there and let it cool down because it is roasting. Roasting from the toasting. Let's see. There we go. Put that like that. Move my plate closer. And let's hope I can grab that thing enough. Ooh. Wow. So we'll just let that cool down. I would say at least 30 minutes. Whew. It's done. I've unplugged the rice. I think I can cut off the rope. If I can get at it. Oh, it is definitely pork tender. It is so tender. It's pulled pork tender. Yeah, we can say that. Oh yeah. Guess I gotta come at it from this side. giving me a bit of non-cooperation here. We'll get it. We'll get her done. I got the sock on there pretty good, but we'll get it off. This is going to make great tacos. And I'm going to put some of this and make some tamales. I've got to go back and get the mas because I didn't get that today. I got sidetracked, but it's okay. I got just about everything else, but I still need some spices. So until I get those spices, it's not going to really matter a whole lot. Anyway, there we are. And I'm going to have to let that thing cool down for at least a half an hour because I'm not going to burn my fingers working with it. And I don't want the juices to leave Dodge City. Anyway. Oh yeah, look at that. You see what that fork is doing? Now that is definitely there. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, it's cooled down. That's good. Because I wasn't going to start until it was cool. I got to get a knife. I almost forgot. Got to put a little bit of seasoning on that meat. There we go. There's the salt. Here comes the pepper. That's sea salt, by the way. Oh, I can smell that pepper. Okay, now, that's the seasoning. Okay, I've fired up my corn tortillas. Oh, they're going to be so good. Put one piece of meat there, another one there, some more right there. How's that looking? And then, my favorite, lime salt. Yep. Then I'll put some salsa on it. I already put some hot sauce in the salsa because it was a bit ordinary. I didn't want to do ordinary. Oh, get on there. I want the other one. Let go of it. It's fighting me. It's actually fighting with me. Oh, here we go. What's that like? Okay, I need some more meat. Put that there. It'd be okay, but it is kind of hot. I just took those off the grill, so. It's pretty warm to touch. It's a hot taco. All right. A little more of that, some more of this. And the rest of that, I have other plans for the rest of that meat. I'm just making some quick tacos because I'm hungry. Gotta have something. Oh. Oh. I almost put the salt in the fridge. I'm not in a hurry, am I? Let's see what that's like. Mm-hmm. Oh. Oh, yeah. That's real good. That's my dinner. Oh, yeah. I had to make this today because I had the last of my rigatoni yesterday. So I didn't have any more leftovers. Mm-hmm. And these are good. So my friends, have a taco on Dave. Subscribe to Dave Skillet. Give me a like. I almost forgot to mention the tamales that I'm going to make. It's going to be a casserole. It's not going to be tamales. It's going to be just a tamale casserole. And I'll be working on that tomorrow. But I got to go to the store and buy some masa, which I don't have. So there'll be that. And gosh, that's really good. That taco was really good. I couldn't talk. I had to go. I had to just eat that and cram it in my face because it was that good. Okay, so tell me you like it. Hit the little likey button down there or over here. And subscribe. You don't want to miss the next menu because it's going to be big. I didn't put any cheese on my taco tonight because I was hungry. I want to eat it now. So the next one I make, it's going to have some cheese on it. So there's always that. Bon appetit, my friends. We'll see you on the next one.